Hello everyone! Today I'd like to share with you how I made chicken, mushroom, and leeks casserole with yellow rice. So let's get started. We'll start by bringing our cooktop at a medium to high heat. I've added avocado oil. Now I'm going to add onions and mushrooms. We'll start seasoning with onion, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. And now I'm going to stir the mushrooms and the onions together and adding leeks. Stir that in together. And now I'm going to add the rice that I've cleaned and washed 3 times. The seasonings I will add to my rice are turmeric, sage, and cumin. So as you can see, as I'm stirring the ingredients together, the turmeric is what's giving the rice its yellow color. And as I continue to stir the seasonings within the rice, the oil is what's giving the rice, allowing the rice to not stick together. I'll continue to stir until it's well combined. And now I'm going to add in my chicken stock. And I'm going to pour in the chicken stock until it fills about half of an inch above the rice. And now I'm going to add a bay leaf. Before you start to season your chicken, preheat your oven to 400 degrees. And as I season my chicken, I'm going to make sure that everything is fully covered, making sure you get into all of those nooks and crannies. Now I'm going to add just a little bit more of avocado oil, about 3 tablespoons, and I'm going to place the chicken on its back and making sure that you're not overcrowding your skillet. And these are boneless thighs that I'm using, but you could use bone-in or you could use chicken breast or drumsticks. It doesn't matter. At this point, you're not going to thoroughly cook your chicken. You're only going to cook it on each side for about 5 minutes and then remove it from the skillet. Now I'm pouring in my chicken broth and I'm taking a spoon and I'm taking some of those bits and those seasonings from the bottom of the skillet. And now I've removed my bay leaf from my rice. Now place your rice in the skillet and nestle your chicken on top with your bay leaf, and then take your skillet and place it into your oven for about 20 to 25 minutes on the medium rack. And here are the results. This dish serves about 6 people and is even better the next day. Thank you for stopping by.